Hey there, welcome to the Science of It. I'm meteorologist Eric Burris, joined by Zach from the Orlando Science Center. And Zach, since December is Dinosaur Month, there is a somewhat living, breathing ancestor or cousin to the dinosaur. Let's talk about it.
Absolutely, let's talk about it. So we're looking at the American alligators today. Now these guys are related to the dinosaurs, but they themselves are not actually dinosaurs. If we want to look at, modern day dinosaurs, look at literally any bird outside you. That's going to be your most closest relative. But at the same time, these guys and their ancestors have been around for hundreds of millions of years. Our fossil records show that dinosaurs showed up about 245 million years ago. The first crocodilian, 200 million years ago. So these guys have been around for a long time. And when we talk about ancestors specifically to alligators, we start looking at animals like Parasaurus, Deinosuchus, animals like that. And these were animals that grew to be so insanely massive that they were known to have actually eaten dinosaurs.
Wow. Okay, so my nerd brain wants to know, how is it that dinosaurs are no longer here, but the alligators and crocodiles are?
That is an excellent question. That's something I talk about a lot with a lot of guests who come to the Science Center. The big thing is purely these guys were better suited to adapt to their environments than the dinosaurs. When you think about like the asteroid that came in and caused that huge global calamity that Earth had to deal with at that time frame, the alligators and crocodiles and gharials and caimans, all these early guys, they were able to get into the water where a lot of their environment went relatively unscathed. Even when we think about like the Ice Age, the whole world wasn't covered in ice at that point, wasn't covered in snow. There were still some warmer areas where these guys could still live and thrive in.
That's amazing. That's just amazing. And yet now it's just the most Florida thing to see an alligator, and to think what they've come through time is remarkable.
Absolutely.
If you want to learn more about dinosaurs upstairs or the alligators here at the Orlando Science Center, where can we get more information?
Easy spot is always the Orlando Science Center website. That's always going to be an easy spot.
And when folks want to come to the Orlando Science Center, they come find you, Zach, or any of your colleagues.
You can come find me, anybody in my team. Ask us literally any questions you guys got. We're more than happy to get you guys taken care of.
Perfect. Zach, thank you very much. And thank you for joining us for the Science of It.
Thank you, everybody.